Hello, everyone. My name is Michael Tuskan, and I'm going to introduce myself. So, where do I come from? I was born in Hawaii, but I moved when I was like 2 months old to Washington, and I grew up in Snohomish County area. Um, and then when I moved out of my parents' house, I currently live in Seattle, and obviously going to North Seattle Community College. Um, my main interests as of now, I currently like to trade equities. I paint on canvas like acrylic, gouache, oil paints. I'm also a screen printer, textile screen printer, screen prints on clothing. What I want to get out of this class is I'm hoping this class will help me understand how to code on Java, but also learn the fundamentals of the Java programming language so I can apply it to other parts of my programming future. And I do know one person that is registered in this class, and that's Scott Dotson. So if you're listening to this, hopefully you're doing well and staying safe out there. And I just want to say thank you, Rusina, for helping me hopefully learn Java, and I hope I'll be able to contribute to this class community in a helpful manner. So, signing off.